Everything has turned out great for my first real estate purchase. Currently, this is the one property I own. It is a condo in Las Vegas Country Club, which is next to the Las Vegas Strip. It's an amazing location, and I've covered the details in past videos, but I want to share with you how it's been a massive success. I'm coming up here on almost owned it for 2 years, and I'll give you some details, and I'm going to share with you why this one decision has catapulted me into a financial position that has opened up a lot of opportunities for me. Quick numbers: $120,000 purchase price, $24,000 down payment. This is 20%. Roughly $3,000 in closing costs. So all in, I was $27,000. Thus far, I have made $700 a month every month for the rental income. So I have a second bedroom which I rent to a roommate, and I make $700 a month. So in 2 years, that would be $16,800. To this point, I've yet to pay my mortgage. That has been covered fully by my roommate. So in total, I've spent $27,000 and made $16,800, which in itself has been a great return. However, due to the Las Vegas market and how much appreciation this whole market has seen, I've actually made roughly $40,000 in appreciation alone. So that would be, if my condo appraised for $160 today, that would be $40,000 in appreciation. However, good news, on Friday, a comp right down the street sold for $180,000. Now, it is a slightly better location as it is on the golf course. I am not on the golf course, so that may have some effect on the number. So let's just say hypothetically that mine was worth $170, slightly below the $180 that it sold for. That would mean I made $50,000 in appreciation. I'm basing the $160 off an appreciation I got from a HELOC, which I'll cover in a second, so I'm going to use those numbers. So that would be $16,800 in cash return, $40,000 in appreciation. That would mean a 210% return on investment in 2 years. That is incredible, and obviously that's unlikely. Appreciation like this is not normal. I totally get that. However, the point of these videos is to show you, I want to show you that when you make good decisions over time, good things will happen. And I've made a lot of good financial decisions up until this point, and this has been the one that's really positively affected me the most. And of course, I've gotten lucky, but I've also made the right decisions to put myself in this position. And the reason why I bring up the HELOC is I'm actually in the process right now of getting a HELOC, which is a home equity line of credit. I'll probably touch on that in future videos. If you're not sure what it is, you can Google. There are plenty of articles that cover this probably better than I could. But essentially, you're getting a line of credit against the equity of your house. And since I have a lot of equity right now, I'm able to get 80% of that in a loan, or in a line of credit. And right now I'm going through Wells Fargo, and on Friday I accepted, conditionally approved, a HELOC for almost $37,000. And if the appraisal comes in at more than $160, which is what I anticipated, then that line of credit will increase. So if you think about this one solo purchase, I have amazing results. However, if I can get a HELOC and now go buy investment property elsewhere, which is what I plan on doing all of next week in Ohio, then the return on investment will actually be even higher, because I'm taking the equity and I'm going to go invest in another market, which, assuming I make good decisions and it's a cash flow investment, then I'm going to be making cash flow just off the equity of my house. So this is why, this is one of the 3 reasons why this property has turned into a major cash cow. I'm very thankful to be in this position. However, I made the right decisions and it's working out for me. If you have any questions about house hacking, about HELOCs or anything, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be glad to discuss, and I'd love to hear your experience as well. If you've done this and have seen good success with it, I'd love to hear. Thanks so much for watching.